This is how to navigate the LCD screen. The display can be easily navigated using both the buttons situated on the screen and the rotary controller. By using the arrows on the screen, you can navigate through the options and settings until you reach the required option. By using the tick option button, you can select the option you need to change. You can then scroll through or change using the arrow buttons, and once you have done this, you can press the back button to return to the previous screen, or simply select the home button to navigate back out. These controls cannot be used while the hydraulics are activated, in order to stop inadvertent operation of the right hand joystick. If you try this option, it will be shown on the screen. By pressing the toggle menu mode button, you can activate the rotary dial, which allows you to navigate the display. Using the rotary dial, you can scroll through the options, and by pressing the dial, you can select the option needed. You can then use the back button or the home button to navigate back to the main home screen. If you press the toggle menu mode button, this will time out after 20 seconds if not used and return to normal mode.